Hey, Bres.
What the fuck happened to Bryce, bro?
Ay, follow your crown, guys.
Yeah.
Ay, Bres.
Kill the guards, kill the guards, yeah, just kill the guards. Kill the guards, kill the guards. Okay, they're on southeast, southwest, sorry, southwest. West side, west side. Come, walk with the crown, yo, walk with the crown. Where are you guys going? Hello? Go southwest, go southwest. They're throwing random ultis, bro. We can engage here. Just kill the guards. Yo, can somebody get the aggro? Okay, kill the guard, kill the guard. Yo, Kumo, you're too deep, bro. Kill the guard, kill the guard, kill the guard, kill the guard. Kill the guard. It's okay, don't catch the guy. It's okay. Walk with the ground now. After you kill the guard, walk with the ground. We will kill every guard. We will engage after we kill all the guards. Get aggro, lolman. Thank you. Okay, kill the guard as well. Kill his guard. Kill his guard. Kill his guard. Kill every guard. Kill every guard. Okay. Okay, Texas is getting okay, we can engage
Okay.
northeast. Yo, come. Yo, come. Come to the wing. Come to the wing. Yo, look at your crown now. Look at your crown. Heal first after the first start. Heal first. We're gonna engage inside, okay? We're gonna engage inside. They don't have defensives. Yeah, okay, that's his Spirit
Wait.
Hunter already.
Wait.
Yeah, wait for the Spirit Hunter
Yeah.
to come off. Yeah. We will just engage one time and then we will come back immediately, okay? So after you drop your ultis, come back southwest, okay? So northeast. We're gonna engage shallow only, northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Okay, come back southwest, boys. Come back southwest. -1, that's -1. Come back southwest. Yo, heal Jaja, heal my def tanks. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Yeah.
Reset.
Just heal. Yeah, reset. Yeah, that's already minus. Did we
Hey,
kill someone,
can
guys?
AFK in front of me.
Okay. It's okay, guys. Okay. Just wait for your cooldowns. Wait for your cooldowns. Let me get my Judy. I fucking forgot to change to Judy. We will engage again northeast after they fuck up one of their ulti, okay? Just hold. Okay. Okay. Look at northeast now. Look at northeast. We're gonna get shallow again, Shallow again. Just stuck healing. My blight. Just stuck healing. Northeast shallow, On the can we engage on this south side? We can engage south side actually. South side, Look at your south side. You can just ulti over the wall, okay? Look at this east side, East side, the Hashirama and Thundercloud, okay? East side, Inside now. East side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side, boys. East side. Kill this guy. Okay, come back now. Come back southwest. Yo, come back southwest. Don't fucking loot, bro. Come back southwest. If you die, you fucking stupid, Come back southwest. Okay, that's -1. Okay. Wait for your cooldowns. Wait for your cooldowns. 10 seconds. Okay. Now they are losing range, okay? So wait for me. Wait for the cooldowns. Okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds on me. We're gonna engage shallow. Shallow northeast, okay? Shallow northeast. They're full running. Come inside. They're full running.
Hey,
Catch people. Okay, northeast now. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, oh fuck, I got fucking come back southeast. Defensive now. Come back southeast. Sorry, Captain Odin, come back southeast. Yo, Kumu, heal Kumu. Come back southeast. It's okay, come back southeast. Don't fucking looking, bro. Come back southeast. Yo, Bosil, can you come back?
come back.
Okay, good. Come southeast. It's okay. We will engage northwest. You guys, defensive immediately, guys. You getting fucked already. Bring up defensives. Sorry, Captain Odin. Can you go deep tank, Sam? Northwest, Shallow northwest. Okay, come inside. Spread now. We're gonna engage northwest. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest, boys. It's huge. Go, come back, come northwest. Yo,
The wall, fucking wall.
Northwest. Yo, heal me. Yo, heal me. I don't receive any heal. Yo, heal me, boys. Heal me. Northwest. Yo, northwest. Hello, northwest. Northwest, heal me, northwest. Yo, come outside the OP, northwest. What are you guys doing? Yo, you're gonna die. Come northwest. Yo, come northwest. Okay, stabilize. Come northwest.
Offset.
Yo, come northwest. Oh my god, why you're not listening to me? Yo, northwest. In these two guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're not listening to me, guys. Come outside the OP, northwest. Kill that guy. And then come back north, southeast, 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 southeast. Yo, heal bossy, yo, heal bossy. Oh my god. Southeast, 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 southeast. Oh my god, this is so fucking scuff. Do you have no comms, guys? You don't listen to me. What the fuck? Southeast. God, boys. What the fuck? Listen to your caller. What? Why are you guys fucking panicking? Southeast, southeast. Look at southeast, huh? We're gonna engage shallow, southeast, shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, southeast now, southeast now. Okay, come back northwest immediately. Come back northwest immediately, nigga. Northwest immediately. Defensive. Okay, good. Go. Come back northwest. Yeah, heal Jaja. Okay, very good. Just like that, bro. Where are you guys staying after you drop your ulti? Don't fucking stay. Just drop your ulti and then come back. We're gonna engage again southeast. What's your cooldown? Tell me your cooldowns. Defensive. Tell me your cooldown. Okay. Tell me if your defensives are up, okay?
Ready.
Again. Okay, southeast. We're gonna engage shallow again, shallow. Okay, walk in, boys. Walk in. Qs and Ws. We're gonna engage southeast. Okay, after that, eastern charge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast, boys. Southeast. Okay, defensive now. Come southeast. Southeast. Defensive, boys. Defensive. It's my defensive. Oh my god, come southeast. Healer died. No, deep tank. Sorry, my bro.
Maybe
You already-
Ito, nakarecord ka dapat.
Nagjo-judy ako inside, boy.
Oh,
Then,
S-man
maybe
disconnect.
Judy safe.
Yodi mga ano.
We need to kill the range, bro. Northwest. Look at northwest, boys. Northwest now. Fast, guys, ha. Northwest, fast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guy, bro. This guy. Okay, come back southeast. Ay, fast, guys. Southeast now. Or southwest. Depending on your location. Come back, guys. Come safe. It's okay. Come safe. Yo, heal Texas now. Heal Texas. Yeah, nice one. Come southeast. Look at your crown. Yo, heals. We killed that guy, right? Yo, Kumu, what the fuck?
Oh, hindi natin na kayo.
Hindi na kill? Sayang.
Digitan.
Nag-miss yung perna.
It's okay. Just look at your crown, guys. That's my bad as well. If you can regear, come, guys. I need fast. Night Bloom. Okay. Let me see. Let me check. They're spreading too much, bro. Come, follow the crown. We're going southwest side.
Ayan, mga naka-PB lang to.
Tangina, hindi kayo nakikinig, boy. Northeast, look at northeast now. Northeast, fast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, northeast. Okay, come back southwest immediately. Southwest. Sorry, southwest. Pack your defensive, guys. Defensive, fast. Defensive fast. Drag twitch, defensive, bro. Come back southwest. Heals now. Heals. Look at northeast, We're gonna get northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Fast. Okay, come back now. Come back southwest. Fast. Just fast, guys. We clap in grade. Southwest. Heals now. Jaja. Heal Kumo. Yo, Jaja, don't fucking stand on the blazing, bro. Heal, guys. Heal. Inside the hill. Inside the crown. Heal inside the crown.
Heal guys, heal.
Okay.
Paxe, come back bro. With internal knife.
Tapos pa natin sila.
We can engage on the wall, On the wall.
Ba't
On
ganun?
northeast,
Parang
on the wall.
binubulong sa damage, pre.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi tayo nagtutuloy sa
Hindi nagda-drop
damage.
ng idoy.
It's okay. Guys, just drop your ult and then come back immediately. I will call if we need to push, ha?
Dami sa taas.
Ay, ang dami nila dito. Yo, come. Walk with the run.
We need,
Spread. What? Spread.
Ito,
Walk with the run,
kidnap.
spread.
if we can kidnap
Yeah, if you can
some
kidnap
blue-
blue, yes, that will be good. Northwest now. Look at northwest. Fuck, there. No, come back. Hindi ko pa DPS. Parang wala akong pierce.
W6. Blue, blue,
X
blue.
Party 2. Can
Blue,
you invite me? Party 2.
W6. Yeah.
Try natin
to
mag-shallow.
keep
We
that
try to shallow. We try to shallow. We try to shallow. No, on the guys on sa west side. West side. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Fuck, hindi ko nakita. Kamag southeast, 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 kamag southeast. Yo, Jaja, heal, Jaja, heal, Jaja, heal, Jaja, heal, Jaja, heal, Jaja. Okay, come back. Yo, heal cookie, yo, heal cookie, bro. Putang ina, may defensive din tong mga to ah.
Sakit, boy.
Hirap naman eh.
Mga trash talk pa, oh, gago. 6-3.
Puta, hindi naman lumalabas. Mas malaki vlog nila sa atin. Hindi sila lumalabas. Yo, spread, guys, spread southeast.
Mga takot lumabas eh.
Spread southeast. Yo, can we mount up, go to OP2. Pangit dito. Go to OP2. Guys, fucking listen to me next time. You guys are looting, bro. You're gonna die if you loot. You're making it hard for your defense and healers. Don't fucking loot, bro. Win the fight first, then you loot.
3.4, 4.3.
What the fuck? Wait, tangina, easy 2v1 dun sa Port Sterling tsaka Madlock. Ba't dito nahirapan tayo? Dismount here. Hit the guard. One guard only.
They coming.
Yeah, if they come, yeah, be ready southwest. Be ready southwest.
to catch.
Yo, be ready to catch guys. Yo, come, dismount everyone. Be ready to catch ah.
Let's fight.
South guys. In 5, 4, 3. Okay, come on.
Wait.
No, they're full running, bro. Full running. It's okay. Mount up again. Can we cap OP2? Like, can we defend if they bomb us? Can we defend? May distance. Can you defend? If they bomb us in OP2? Huh?
Maybe the
They're full.
PPE go inside. The rest go stay outside.
Kill the guys first. Kill the guards. Yeah, we still
Yeah.
in Bloom. Putang ina, ang daming nawala sa akin dahil sa kabubuan par. Tell me. Yo, tell me what the fuck is that thing, bro?
They're in here. They're in.
Yo,
they're on me.
healers.
They're on ping.
Okay, yo, southeast, yo, come southeast. Yo, come southeast. We will catch people. Southeast now. Fast southeast, nigga, yo. Oh my god, you guys too late, bro. Go, come northwest. Putang ina, naka-position na naman sila. Yo, come northwest, fast. Come northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Putang ina, come back, southeast. Position patuloy sila. Come southeast, defensive boys, defensive. Come southeast, yo, Jaja. Oh my god, tinatayuan nyo talaga yung blazing. Patay si Brace ulit, gago.
Yes. Oh, Shiba Brace.
Brace, why do you keep on dying, bro? Gagong hirap i-call nito for some fucking reason. What? It's so fucking hard to call this fight. What? How? Puta. Dito lang tayo, magtitigan tayo, tangina. You guys are not fucking... Oh my god, I think we're just not synchronizing, bro.
Ewan ko ba mangyayari dito, pre.
Guys, why do we have no damage? What? That's what I wanna know, bro.
I-record mo ha. Makita BOD nito.
Hindi ko kaya record to. Kaya mo sila lumabas, putang ina. Just come here, just stay here. We can't dive, bro. We can't dive for shit. Like we're fucking noobs. I don't know what's missing in this com. I don't really know, bro. We have the Pierce. We have the DPS, bro. Why can't we delete one clump? Let them. We will just stay here until they fucking dissipate.
Ah, ina. May ulang dito.
We have huge clumps, but we're not killing anybody.